Right, so I'm going to change this union over. Unclipped it here and here. That's actually screwed in. Who would do that? Put a screw through the door. Anyway, that was a bit awkward. But that's off now. So a new one. Wider as well, so it should cover the gap better. Right, so I tend to put the back in first, personally, and then right, it's now clipped in. So you got to pop a screw back through here. It's good to have this as the high point, and it can go either way to their downpipe and their downpipe. Right, all screwed in, joint back together. It's annoying, couldn't reach, but ideally we've got the insert lines, which is there and there. There's no more length I could get from their side, and none from this side either. It was just installed that way, annoyingly, but I can always mention it to them. Anyway, so that's that union. It was a bit of a tough one, but yeah. Snow. Your footprints.
Footprints.
Yeah. Wow. Look. Look. There you go. Look, Theo. Snowball.
A snowball.
Throw it. Wow. Another one. Should have really wore gloves myself. There you go. Can I throw out the window? Look, throw out the window. Hey! Well, we're limited on the snow here, mate, so, you know, make them count. Hey! You've done it. Go on then. Whoa, nearly. Throw at Daddy? Come here, I'm going to throw it at you. Come here. Come here. Headshot for subscribers. Oh!
There's snow on his eyes.
Bless him. Theo, I'm going to hit you. Oh! It's cold. Savage. Subscribe if you hit my wife in the head. Oh, I just got my new ball. Oh. Just recently enclosed this. To get a little setup going. Got the tumble dryer down there, but gonna set up a little area to make some videos and try to do some work while it's in the wall. Oh, freaking freezing. That's not a button. Yeah. For watching my video. And please subscribe.